What's up, guys? It's Jordan with 4Runner Lifestyle. Today I'm here at our warehouse in Orem, Utah behind me. We're excited to show you guys just what goes on behind the scenes here at our awesome location here in Orem, Utah. Let's go. All right, so we are here in our front showroom at our warehouse here in Orem, Utah. I got Dawson, who is one of our employees here. Dawson, tell us what you do here at 4Runner Lifestyle.
So I basically do like just customer service. So I help answer like questions and stuff you guys have. I also help any like customer who comes into the store. But yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool because with this warehouse, we do have a front showroom where people can check out product. When somebody comes in to our front showroom, what can they expect service-wise?
I mean, we can basically show you any like product you're interested in. We have a couple ones on display, like we got some wheels and headlights, but we can always pull stuff from the warehouse if you just want to see the product like in person.
If someone comes in here and they really just don't know what they want to do, are we like able to help you out with that?
Yeah, so we're always down to kind of just talk about your build and see where you want to go with it. We have a computer too, so we can kind of look through all the different parts and stuff and just kind of get a gauge of what you want to do.
We've all built out our rig, so we have a little bit of knowledge on how to help. But yeah, we got the computer here, we got some wheels set up. What about over here? What do we got going on this side of the showroom?
So if we're ever grabbing like products and stuff from the warehouse for you, you can always hang out on the couch. We'll have our YouTube videos playing. And then we also have some of our merch here. We got shirts, hoodies, and hats. But yeah.
Yeah, we're fully loaded with everything here. So thanks, Dawson, for showing us around the front showroom a little bit. We're gonna go check out everything else here at our warehouse. Okay, so we're here in our customer service room. I got Andy. And Andy, what do you do here at the company?
So I'm the customer service, customer relations manager. Anything that's involving the customer, I kind of oversee that, so.
Yeah, and you've been here for a minute, right?
Yeah, I've been here for a bit. I've been here almost about 3 years.
So you're one of the longer tenured employees here at 4Runner Lifestyle.
Yep.
And you drive a 4Runner yourself.
Yep, I usually try and park it right out there. It is right there, so.
Yeah.
Love it.
So Andy, there's been a lot of changes with the customer service side of things here. Can you tell us a little bit about those changes?
Yeah, so originally, when I first started, I was the first representative.
Yeah.
And so I've kind of built the whole email support, and then we kind of grew out of that and we moved over to like a texting service.
Yeah.
Which has been a lot more efficient and has been great.
And
so.
how do customers, if they need to reach out to customer service in any way, how does that work?
Yeah, it's actually really easy. What they're gonna do is basically just go to our website and then they'll look in the bottom left corner and it will say text us. There's a little feature there.
Yeah.
They'll fill out their name, they'll put a valid phone number that we can text, and then they'll just write us a short message to the back end, and it comes to one of our representatives that are
and it's
working
all just
full
people
time.
that work here. I mean, like we have Dawson here, we have Ty here.
Yeah, so Tyler's right there, Dawson's right there, Zach's usually here. We have 2 other reps that work as well.
It's people responding to these messages, right?
Yeah, everything is live. You'll get an automatic courtesy message,
but then after that, it's like you're talking with another person. That's awesome. Yeah, you guys are at the forefront of everything we do here at 4Runner Lifestyle. Like, you're most likely talking to one of these guys here in our room, so we appreciate all that you guys do. But let's go ahead and move on and see just what everyone else here is doing at the warehouse. So we are here with Mr. Nate Pennington. Nate, you are one of the longest employees here at 4Runner Lifestyle. When did you start?
I started in September of 2021.
So a minute.
Yeah, a little bit.
And you've done a couple of different things since you've been here.
Yeah, I've done fulfillment and then kind of marketing side, and then now I do all inventory management. So make sure everything's in stock, ready to go for you guys.
Yeah, and we'll check out the warehouse here in a little bit, but we have a ton of product in that warehouse. A lot of it is because of you. How is it managing all of that?
It's stressful. Obviously, at the end of the day, we want the consumer to have an awesome experience. We're all enthusiasts, but we're also trying to all make sure that you guys as enthusiasts can get a box with your Baja fog lights, your Molly panel bags, Max tracks, all in the same kit. And so we've put in a lot of time and effort to make sure that that can happen. So
Yeah, and we want to get it shipped out from here and
Yep.
straight to you guys. So we appreciate everything you do, Nate. And you have a 4Runner yourself.
2010 4Runner Nate on Instagram.
Yeah, he's a good follow. So
Yep.
make sure you follow him on Instagram. But appreciate everything you're doing.
Thanks, brother.
Let's go check out everything else. Okay, so I'm here with Stetson. Stetson, you've been with the company almost since day one. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, I started in 2019 when we were in our like little warehouse.
Tiny little shack.
Yeah, there was 2 of us fulfilling, and now we're here.
Yeah, so you've been with the company probably the longest. You also drive some pretty sweet trucks as well.
Yeah, so on Instagram it's Brisk Built. Now it used to be Brisk Taco. I had a Lunar Rock long bed Tacoma.
Like one of the coolest Tacomas out there.
Oh,
it was so
thank you.
sick.
And then now I have a Terra Tundra.
Yeah,
So.
and that thing's been sweet too. And we're doing a build series on that, so you can check that out on YouTube. But
Yeah.
tell us what you're doing right now.
So I do all of the product upload on our websites. So right now I'm uploading all of our 4th Gen Tacoma stuff, all the new products for that.
I'm sure that's been keeping you pretty busy. New truck, lots of new products.
Yep, new products are coming out every day, so I'm just trying to stay on top of it as they come in.
Yeah, so we're obviously wanting to give you guys the best experience here, and so Stetson plays a huge role in that, making sure that we have the best products when they're coming out on our website and available for you guys to buy. Okay, so we just got done checking out some of the offices downstairs. Now we're gonna move upstairs and check out everything we have going on up here, so go ahead and follow me. This is where some of our upstairs offices are. If you look over here on some of these shelves, we have some gifts and just awards that we've gotten throughout the years. Zari, another company here in Utah, I guess they're called Ari now. They do a really cool overland meet, and we got coolest rig there. And then we also have just some awards and different gifts from companies like Alpha Rex, Baja Designs. Morimoto gave us these sick custom Jordans right here, but we just like to show some of this stuff off. And it's all thanks to you guys for ordering on our website, so we appreciate you guys. And then here are just some of the offices of our CEO, our COO, and our owner. Okay, so this is our conference room, kind of interrupting a meeting right here, but we have Carson over here and Colby. Carson is one of the owners, Colby is our COO. Carson has one of the sickest 3rd Gen builds out there, and then Colby has a new 4th Gen build that we're working on. So make sure you're looking at our YouTube because we're gonna be building that out. Connor.
What's up?
What is up? What are you driving here at the company?
I drive the 2016, the 5th Gen, the black camo TRD Pro 4Runner.
The 4Runner lifestyle build. It's pretty awesome.
The OG one.
Yeah.
That's what started it all, was that build, and it's evolved over time to where it is now, but
yeah, and
still
Connor,
love that car.
Connor is one of the owners here. Carson is another owner, but he's in a meeting right now. This place has gone crazy since you guys first started. Can you tell us a little bit about the growth?
Oh, it's been wild. Hard to keep up with, and amazing and difficult and everything. But yeah, like 5 years ago, we were just in a basement and grown it a ton thanks to our awesome customers, and just, I don't know, we're just a bunch of enthusiasts that love off-road Toyotas, and luckily we get to do it for work.
Thanks for talking with us about just where the company's been, where we are now. Now we're gonna go look at the warehouse where we keep all of our product and everything that gets shipped directly to you.
That's the best part.
Yeah. All right, I am here with Cooper. Cooper was my first boss here.
I'm first boss.
So tell us, Cooper, what do you do here at 4Runner Lifestyle?
So I'm the warehouse manager. I run all this inventory, organize the place, and run the fulfillment, make sure people get their orders out.
Yeah, so this is where the show goes on. This is our, how big is this warehouse exactly? Do you know?
I believe the whole building is 12,000, so it's about 10,000 warehouse square feet.
Yeah, so he's the warehouse manager. He knows that.
Yeah.
I just know that it's big, and we have a ton of product here. So we just wanted to go through a little bit of the warehouse and have you just kind of show us what we have going on back here.
That works for me.
Cool. All right, so we're here in, what aisle is this?
This aisle is full of AJT, Tactilian, a couple of our house items too.
Yeah, a lot of smaller stuff, but I mean, when people are first buying a 4Runner, I know there's a lot of like chrome pieces that are kind of ugly.
Yes.
And AJT is really good at covering all that up.
Absolutely. Like right here, we have our door handle covers. These are a really popular one. We have, I think, like 200 more up top too, along with key fobs, anything that can cover up that chrome. I got rid of all of it on my 4Runner too. So
I got rid of it on my Tacoma.
that's nice.
And you have a ton of options here. Like we got Cavalry Blue, we got Cement,
Solar Octane.
pretty much every TRD Pro color. And then they also have a bunch of key fobs too.
Yes, yes. I think I have this one right here. I got this black 10 to 19 injection one. I know a couple of other guys have a white one as well. So.
Well, that's the thing is like there's a ton of different key fob options,
many.
especially for the 4Runner. And we have like every single one here.
All of them, all of them. I mean, for any year, any model, some of them are universal, and then any color you want as well.
Okay, so we're over here. We got a bunch of tables. Tell us like what this area is.
This is our pack station. So after all these orders are grabbed with these carts, I mentioned these are 12 orders. We pick 12 at a time. Phone takes us aisle by aisle. And then we put all 12 of these buckets on the table and we slide them down to the computers. And that's where we scan everything to scan them with this. That scans the order, tells you what's on it on the computer. And then we scan each item.
Yeah.
And that tells us if it was correct, if it was wrong, if somehow something was stocked wrong or anything like that. We'll never get it wrong, and then put it into the shipping bin to get it out.
Okay, cool. And this is a system that we've kind of just implemented over time. Like, how have you liked this system moving forward?
It has saved our butts.
Yeah.
It's like, it's crazy. We actually weren't gonna do it, and then right before, I believe, Black Friday, we decided to throw it in at the last second, and it was amazing.
Yeah.
It tells us where everything is, what everything is, and if it's right or not.
Yeah, and obviously, like, we care a lot about the customer. We want you guys to make sure you get the right
course.
package, and especially, like, if you ordered, like, 10 of one thing or, like, 2 of one thing.
Yeah,
or,
it tells us
like,
everything we need to know on the computers.
Yeah, like, this makes it so, like, there's no mistakes, and it's pretty awesome, so.
Absolutely.
Well, let's go over to the far side of the warehouse. We got
do
a
it.
lot of bigger items over there. Let's just talk about that. All right, so we've moved to this back corner of the warehouse. This is where a lot of the fun products are.
The fun ones.
The expensive ones.
The expensive ones, the heavy ones, the big ones.
So tell us like what you keep over here.
So over here, we have our Princey roof racks, which is super fun. We got our pros up top, our regular ones, and our standards, cutouts, whatever you need, Tacoma to the right of it. Here we have Sherpa, which is same thing, you know, just our roof racks, different kinds, different models, anything you could want to put on the top of your car.
And then this back wall over here, we got a lot of lighting going on. What brands do we have stocked back there?
Oh, brands, we got Form lighting for Tacoma, or let me restart that one.
4Runner.
Tacoma and 4Runner. We got Form lighting for Tacoma and 4Runner, our own house lights, Alpha Rex, Morimoto, and hopefully we get a lot more as well. So.
Yeah, and right over here we have our house lights.
These are our stealth
These are like
lights.
one of the best sellers that we have.
Yes, we do.
How long do you think this will last?
This wall of them will probably last till tomorrow.
Yeah.
We sell so many of them, and we got to keep it stocked always. So.
Yeah, and for everybody out there that's watching and like want to know like when they place an order, like how long do you think it usually takes from like when they place an order to when it gets to their house?
We try to do same day. I mean, today we finished all the orders from yesterday and last night pretty quick, and then the more orders come through midday, usually around lunchtime, and then we get those out sometimes within 20 minutes of people ordering.
Yeah.
So over a weekend, obviously it's a weekend, might be a little bit slower, but we get them through as fast as we can.
But Monday through Friday, or I guess Monday through Thursday, if you order, it's like same day or next day.
Same day, next day, at least tracking. You'll get your tracking really quick. And then usually they arrive, depends on where you live, within a week.
Yeah, well that's awesome.
Really
You're doing a great job back here. It's awesome to see all of this product here going straight to you guys. Like I said, we want to do the best job at getting everything in one package sent to you. So We keep all this inventory ready to go here in our warehouse in
Yes,
Orem.
sir.
Appreciate you showing
sir.
us around.
We'll see ya.
All right, guys, so this is our media department. This is where we film all of our YouTube videos, create Instagram content, everything for you guys. So let's go take a look at that. So right over here, we have D-Rock. He does all of our social media posting. He is the head of our marketing department. He makes this whole thing run. Right over here, we have Ty. He's not here right now, but he actually helps out Stetson with product upload. Super important to what we do here. This is Bassie. He helps out with all of our ambassadors. He's one of our YouTube video talking heads. He's just awesome, helps us out with everything. And then we have Connor Smart right here. So Connor Smart, probably one of the smartest guys I've ever met. He does all of our in-house products. So the new cat shields that you see on our website, any like interior lighting kits, all of that type of stuff that we're making for you guys. He is a big part in making sure that works for your vehicles. All right, so this is the warehouse where we have our Tacoma and 4Runner. We do a lot of filming in here, so Carson and Connor, they bring their rigs in the morning. These are flagship builds, so a lot of the time we're doing a lot of product photos, a lot of test fitting different products and stuff on these trucks. So during the day while they're in their offices, we're out here playing with these cars, but this is where we keep them until the end of the workday. We love having this space, being able to make a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of content for you guys, and this is where the magic happens right here. All right, guys, so that is our warehouse here in Orem, Utah. You guys are more than welcome to come check it out. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come hang out in the front showroom, order some parts with Dawson. Let's get your rigs built out. We're super excited to help you guys with that. Thanks for tuning in.